and good evening, everyone. I'm Pradnya Zawdekar, and on behalf of Shambhavi's International School of Kathak, I warmly welcome you all to today's Baitak. It's a sold-out Baitak, thanks to your encouragement and love for dance. At the outset, I bow down to our Param Gurus, Nritya Samrat Pandit Gopi Krishna ji, Pandita Manisha Sathe ji, and Tala Yogi Pandit Suresh Tarwalkar ji, and seek their blessings on behalf of all the dancers for a successful performance. I also invoke blessings from Shri Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, Lord Nataraja, the cosmic dancer, and Shri Krishna, the god of Kathak dance. Today's artist is renowned Kathak exponent Pallavi Degwekar from New Jersey. To watch her perform, we have among us some eminent Bay Area artists, Nirmala Madhavan, and Angela Perez. Before I formally introduce our performing artists to you, allow me to say a little bit about SISK and our Baitak initiative. An important part of learning an art is performing it, observing it, and analyzing it. Dekha, Sikhya, Parkhya. Baitak provides a platform for budding as well as established Kathak performers to showcase their talent in a cozy setting for Kathak students to draw inspiration from the performance of senior artists and for the admirers of the art to support the performers. One of the main objectives behind the inception of the Baitak series is to bring unique performances, lecture demonstrations, and talks to the art lovers of the Bay Area. A unique feature of the Baitak initiative is that 100% of the proceeds from the event go to the performing artist. Now, most of you are our regular audience, but for those of you who are here for the first time, a little bit about us. Shambhavi's International School of Kathak, or SISK, is an internationally acclaimed institute based in the San Francisco Bay Area. Kathak exponent Shambhavi Dandekar ji is the founder director of SISK. Through her successful career of 30 plus years, Shambhavi ji has carved a niche for herself as a master performer choreographer, a successful teacher, and an art entrepreneur. The mission of SISK is to promote Kathak dance across the globe to enrich the quality of life through the pursuit of dance. Shambhavi ji's years of experience, intellectual understanding, and analysis of the art form have helped her create stellar performers out of her dedicated students. She has trained and mentored 19 dancers who pursue Kathak as their full-time profession, and the number is rising. SISK alumni are making their impact throughout the world, not just through dance training and performances, but also through various allied Kathak, careers in Kathak, such as dance therapy, dance publication, dance journalism, dance accessories, and online retail, etc. Shambhavi Tai and her team of associate teachers train adult students of various levels here in this very studio. She also trains the SISK Dance Ensemble, the performance troupe of SISK, who have danced at prestigious festivals in the USA and abroad. SISK also has a unique distance learning program in Kathak, which has benefited more than hundreds of students from across the globe. Shambhavi Tai is a firm believer of instilling the core values of a good human being in her students through her dance training. She encourages her students to excel through daily practice, perseverance, contemplation, and dedication. SISK is not just a dance academy, it is a second home to many of us, a space where Kathak is nurtured, explored, and celebrated. A few house rules as a courtesy to the artists as well as everyone in the audience. Please put your cell phones on silent mode. Do not exit and enter the studio while the performance is in progress. Feel free to take photos without using the flash or record videos under a minute. We encourage you to post them on social media and tag us using hashtag SISK, hashtag Shambhavi Dandekar, hashtag Pallavi Degwekar, so more dance lovers know more about this amazing initiative. Also, please remember that the performance will appeal more to you through your eyes rather than through the camera lens. Washrooms are in the back room. Go around the building and use the back entrance of the studio to use them. It's my honor to introduce to you Pallavi Degwekar ji. Pallavi Degwekar is an accomplished Kathak exponent, educator, and cultural ambassador dedicated to the preservation and global dissemination of Indian classical dance. She is an internationally acclaimed Kathak artist with over 25 years of experience in teaching and performance and is the founder and artistic director of Pallavi Kathak LLC in New Jersey, as well as the founder-president of the Mahadev Degwekar Foundation. A disciple of Guru Srimati Ashatai Zobrekar, she has further refined her artistry through guidance from the legendary Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji and advanced training in Tal Lay under Talayogi Pandit Suresh Tarwalkar Ji. She is affiliated with Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune, where she serves as center in charge and examiner for over a decade in the tri-state region of the United States. She has earned her Alankar, that is Master's degree in Kathak, from Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya Mandal. Additionally, she holds a bachelor's degree from Mumbai University in Indian philosophy. To name a few of her accolades and accomplishments, she has performed at prestigious venues including the Sangeet Natak Academy, Sadhana Festival, Carnegie Hall, Lincoln Center, New York Kathak Festival, the Consulate of India in New York, and the Metropolitan Museum of Art. She is the recipient of the prestigious Singar Mani title, the Individual Artist Fellowship from the New Jersey State Council of the Arts, and the National Award, Akhil Bharatiya Pratibha Puraskar. She has also been invited as a guest lecturer at Colgate University. These rich experiences have shaped her into a multifaceted and a highly versatile dancer who exemplifies the depth and brilliance of Kathak through her exceptional performances. Pallavi ji has graded our students for the last 2 days as a part of Bharati Vidyapeeth University's Kathak certification exams. She has been an excellent examiner with her thoroughness and eye for detail. Pallavi ji would like to speak a few words to you before her performance. She has requested that she would like to connect with you. I would like to invite Pallavi ji to the stage.
Namaskar, everyone. First of all, thank you so much. It's a sold out show. I'm really excited for performing here. And I just have a few words to say about Thai. I mean, I hope I don't get emotional and don't start crying, but she is the epitome of love. And not just love, but मैं माया बोलती हूँ उसे कि she is so encouraging and being such a stalwart herself. She's such a humble and very down to earth. And she has graded me, or she is associated with me since I was in my master's level. Means like 20 years old, and that's the time she examined me in my master's exam. Since then, she knows me, and I mean, I can keep going on about Tai and my relationship, but it has been a wonderful time, Tai, here, and I'm speechless. I have no words. Her details about small things and her routine life also. From silence, I have learned a lot in these 2-3 days, and I am happy that there are so many esteemed artists and dancers today in our Baithak as well. And I just see Deepali Tai, Deepatai Vichare. Again, my Guru Bhagini, my senior, but she is my Tai only, and I have association with her since the age of 10. So I am so blessed today that I have so many esteemed artists and gurus and everyone to support me and encourage my art. Thank you so much.
Namaskar everyone. My name is Saloni Shatakar. And I am Guru Pallavi Dekwikar's senior student. It is my absolute honor to be standing here today. It is truly such a blessing for me to be able to orate my Guru's performance, and that too in the presence of Guru Shambhavi Tai Dandekar. My sincere pranams to both Pallavi Tai and Shambhavi Tai for giving me this invaluable opportunity. I would also like to extend my gratitude and my pranams as well to all the esteemed artists and teachers who have joined us today. This too is a form of learning, something I have learned directly from my Guru herself. I have realized in these past few days, spending so much time at Shambhavi Tai's home, that there's so much for us students to learn, not just from formal training itself, but within the quiet moments of daily routine. So a big thank you to Shambhavi Tai for including me as well in this experience. Thank you so much, Tai. Guru Shambhavi Tai has created this Baithak series as a learning opportunity for us as students to witness such seasoned artists and gurus, and it's such a big experience for us. Today, I have the privilege of orating my Guru's performance. Tai has begun dancing at the age of 10 and has dedicated nearly 3 decades to the sincere propagation of Kathak. This year, to share something very special with you all, our Gurukul, Pallavi Kathak Gurukul, will be celebrating its 5th year, a milestone which is made possible through Tai's unwavering perseverance, discipline, and deep devotion. In this spirit, we will be hosting Akhanda Dvadasha Ghanta Nada Yajna, a 12-hour continuous Kathak offering this coming June. To the best of our knowledge, this is the first time this is taking place in the United States, but this has been inspired by the legendary Pandita Shama Tai Bhate, and it is our heartfelt attempt to bring this tradition into the United States. For the same occasion, we are also hosting the Riyaz Retreat 2026 this coming August, for which we have invited the esteemed Pandit Ramdas Ji Parsure, and this is the first time that we are hosting the confluence of Tabla and Kathak together. If you are in the East Coast, we would love to have you join us this coming August. This evening, Tai will be presenting a traditional Kathak performance structure, starting with the Vandana, moving to 2 Tal presentations, and ending with the nuanced Abhinay piece. In an age of short reels and fleeting attention, we as students are incredibly fortunate to be learning from such gurus such as Shambhavi Tai and Pallavi Tai, who remain steadfast in preserving the authenticity, the rigor, and the traditional essence of a complete Kathak presentation. To add on, this script, some few lines, some poetry in different shapes and forms, has all been penned down by Tai herself. Wow. Today's presentation will begin with the Ganesh Vandana set to Rag Janasamohini. The famous rendition has originally been sung by the legendary stalwart Ashwini Tai Bhile Deshpande. And for this presentation, the music has been composed by Shri Amod Kulkarni, sitar by Srimati Kalyani Deshpande, flute by Shri Dhaval Joshi. It has been sung by Srimati Meghna Khadkar and tabla by Shri Amod Kulkarni. An ode to Lord Ganesha. नायकांचा नायक महानायक तू जगत विधाता सकल शुभदायक तू प्रथम पुष्प अर्पिले तुझला तुझी आचरणी जन्म ठेविला गणाधीश तू महागणपती करुणी वंदन आरंभ करू नृत्य प्रस्तुती गं गं गणपतये नमः गं गं गणपतये नमः गं गं गणपतये नमः. That was so beautiful, Tay. Once again, please a round of applause. I think this Vandana filled this entire room with a sense of deep devotion and reverence, which is the true essence of Kathak as a heartfelt offering. It is especially meaningful because this Vandana was composed specifically for this Baitak itself.
Wow.
From this beautiful invocation, we now transition into the Tal Paksha. Today, Pallavi Tai will be presenting two tals. She will begin with Teen Tal. Teen Tal is the most fundamental tal in Hindustani classical music and dance. Teen Tal is the epitome, the foundation, the home that grounds us all. लय से ताल, ताल से राग, राग से संगीत, संगीत से रस उत्पत्ति, रस से परम अनुभूति, अनुभूति से अद्वैत, निर्गुण से निराकार, चेतना का साक्षात्कार, अंतहा अस्ति प्रारंभ, सम से नादरंभ और सम से ही पुनः आरंभ। अनादि ताल है तीन ताल, इस ब्रह्मांड का चलन, अनंत नाद ब्रह्म में है उसका स्पंदन। तीन ताल describes a journey from rhythm to melody, music to emotion, emotion to a deeper unified awareness. It reflects how sound and rhythm are not just artistic elements, but expressions of the universe itself, always cyclical, always returning to some, just like life and existence. The music for both Tal presentations has been composed by Shri Amod Kulkarni, tabla by Shri Charu Datta Phadke, sitar by Srimati Gayatri Gore, flute by Shri Dhaval Joshi, and the rag is also Janasamohini. presentation with thought as they are rhythmic blossoming movements and are subtly suggested through the wrist, neck or the eyebrows. So, presenting thought. मी करू नका, मला आहे. थोडं मोठं ठेवा.
Yes.
फाउंडेशन इसमें मैंने कोशिश की है पेशकार की ऊपर करने की तत्काल dressed as Natwari, Nritya. So presenting some Tatri bones, which are like mantra to us. तो पहला साधा एक बताती हूँ, सिखाती हूँ. Tin ta, hey hey ta, hey ta ta, hey ta ta, hey ta ta, hey ta 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 ta, hey ta ta ta, hey ta ta ta, hey. उसी का जोड़ा चक्करदार. Tin ta, hey ta ta, hey ta ta, hey ta ta, hey ta ta ta, hey ta hey ta hey ta hey ta ta hey ta ta hey ta ta hey ta 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 hey ta hey ta hey ta hey ta ta hey ta ta hey ta ta hey ta 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 hey ta hey ta hey. इसी का आधार है आज अतिथि तक 2 तिहाई से. Now the beauty I tried composing is in the word ta thai. देखिए कैसे है. पहली सुनाती हूँ. This is very close to my heart because it has come down from Asha Taizu, my mother. And the farmaish is, of course in Drutalai you have to try. I'm going to do it in Madhyalaya. But Tirthir Dha and Kirthin Dha, ye jo bol aayenge, if you increase them in equal proportion, they will still come on the song. But in Drutalai, Kirtha, then, Dha, Dha, then, then, Kidai nakata, kidai nakata. Kidai nakata, kidai nakata. Presenting Krutalai now, some parents, Chakradhar parents. The first one is a parent. It has an interesting story. I met this percussionist, Vikrant Deshmukh, not in person, but on Facebook and during COVID time. But he's an exceptional Pakhavaj and Mridanga player. And some of his compositions, I like this one, especially the Tihai Tai. And then along with those lines, I have created a short of Betty, Govinda Vadiv. This one is a Vedam Farmaishi Chakradhar Paran, the hardest. I have been trying this since 2024, since I have heard this. I have got this from Pandit Naveenji Sharma, but the original composer is Ustad Allah Khan Sahab, and that's why it is so difficult. I'm going to try again. This is Anaga. The dancer's song comes one matra before the original cycle. Da da.
क्या बात है
लखनऊ अंदाज में खड़े पाँव की सकता है। दो तिहाइयाँ हैं, I will not recite them now. But अलग ही फ्लेवर है उनका दोनों के अलग लैंग्वेज है, बट बड़ी खूबसूरत है। ता कर सकता और तकदी नेक्स्ट वन तकदी के साथ हूँ मैं। This is the last presentation of my team tal. I'll be doing a Shiva Kavit. Shiva is generally portrayed as very fearful and powerful. But he does have last year some Shakti in him. So during his marriage ceremony, he was requested to adorn like a king. Upon this request, Shri Hari, who is Lord Vishnu, accepted this invitation very graciously. And then, instead of bhasma, he was applied the chandan paste. The Gale Sarpamal was replaced with Pannaga gemstone, and the Rudraksha beads were replaced with Manik and Moती and so on. So मैंने ये महादेव के 16 सिंगार बहुत अलग वर्णन करने की कोशिश की है एंड जो श्री हरि उन्हें सजाते हैं. I hope I get this. It's a very hard one. and खंड जाति में है. महादेव के 16 सिंगार चंदन केसर कांति निहार मणि जड़ित नव अवतार मोतियानु के कंकण आकार चैनन खनन पुष्प कुसुम कलिका कमल कांति पलक सोने काजल तक राजनरेश वस्त्र धारण चंद्र मुकुट रत्नाभर हीरे कुंडल झिलमिल कर्ण नीलम जड़िक पादचर कील धन गले शोभत नगभूषण माणिक मोती के बहुदर्शन चंद्रचूड़ तु चंद्रशेखर कर्पण देखत अति सुंदर हरि सजाए विश्वनाथा महेश्वराय लीलाधर चंद्र सूर्य ही करे पूजन धूप आरती करे वंदन तीनी त्रिलोक गाये गायन ताल मंजीरा कलानंद वीणा वाजत ढोल मृदुंग नंदी डोलत डम डमत डम डम डमत डम डम डमत
powerful presentation. There was so much to learn and witness within this performance through so many different shades and colors of the Kathak repertoire. And what I personally feel is how Tai, within every look, within every glance, every movement, shows her command and brings the audience in together in a playful, loving way.
Very true.
Thank you, Tai, for sharing your knowledge and love for Kathak with all of us. The next tal will be a special presentation as well. However, just to add a little bit of fun, it will be introduced in a different way. The name lies in the oration itself. Let's see if you all can catch it. Shama Suhani, Pavana Mastani, Shringar ke Saj Saje, Rupa Rupak Divani. Chali Ban Dhan Naad, Tin Tin Naad, Naad Na, Salona Sa Mukhda, Chand Bhi Dekhe Baar Baar.
Wow, wow.
This tal captures the beauty of Shringar, the grace, adornment, and the quiet yet powerful confidence. This reflects a moment where rhythm, beauty, and expression all come together as one. I hope you have already gotten the name.
Yes.
This tal will be set in Rag Bageshri, and it has been composed by the same musicians which I gave the names earlier. Over to you, Ted.
Rupa Rupak Divani. That's why the third are going to be Shringari. Thoda Radha Krishna, Chhed and subtle nuances of third. Hey. ग्रीवा भेद and दोन then na ta da 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 ka thum ga da de di di ta 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 then ta de ta ki da ta ka thum ga ta ki da ta ka ati ta 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 ga da ki da ta di da da ya di da thai da thai da thai da thai da ta 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 thai thai da ta 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 thấy 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 ta 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 इसमें थोड़ा फर्क अंदाज है, ज्यादा थोड़े वगैरह नहीं। Ding, 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 na. Dhagina, dhagina, dhinna, na, dhinna, kata, dhinna, kata, kata, dhagina, kata, dhagina, kata, dhagina, dhagina, kata, dhagina, kata, dhagina, kata, dhagina, dhagina, kata, dhagina, kata, dhagina, kata, dhagina. और एक परन ये पंडित भवानी शंकर जी उनसे तिन तिन ना धादे 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 तू ना गे ना गे तू ना गे धादे धादे इन राम ना कर दिन ता कर दे गे 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 ता एक और परन, ये मेरी कोशिश है वापस एक बार। दिन दिन ना ता दा कि तक तक दिन दा दे कि दिन 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 दा दे कि ता दे कि के के ता दे दा दे कि क कत दे के कि ता दे ना दिन दी दा का ता तक दर 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 दा दर 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 दा दिन दी दा का ता दर 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 दा दर 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 दा दिन का दी दा का ता दर 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 दा दर 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 दा एकदम तिहाई है, ऐसे बंदूक के जैसे। ताकि 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 धधे धाम दा 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 ताकि 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 धधे धाम दा 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 ताकि 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 धधे धाम दा 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 देशमे तेन्ना केतकी गुलाब जुही तरुवल वनमाली कंद पुष्पलता तरल सज्जित सखियाल आवन है ऋतु बसंत कोयल शर्मीली कुहू कुहू गान ध्वनि मन उमंग न्यारी धोंग धोंग दिगकतान कुकुथई दिग दिग तरा तक्क कुकु दिगत दिगत थई तक्क कुकु दिगत दिगत थई तक्क कुकु दिगत दिगत थई
वाह वाह
Once again, another round of applause. This was so beautiful, and I think I can speak on everyone's behalf that I think we too with Tai were experiencing the onset of the Basant spring season, and we were transported outside of the studio in a nature-esque serene setting. And now with that, we will arrive at the conclusion of this evening. To say a few lines, चेतना और ऊर्जा को जागृत करते हुए लय से उठी यह यात्रा ताल राग और संगीत से गुजरती हुई रूप में सजी और भाव में खिली अब उसी यात्रा का अंतिम स्पर्श भक्ति में समर्पण है। The awakening of the the awakening of the energies of the consciousness. This journey that arose from Lay, moving through Tal, Rag, and Sangeet, adorned in form and blossoming in emotion, now finds its final touch in bhakti, in surrender. I will be presenting an abhanga of Santa Tukaram, Bheti Lagi Jiva. This is not merely a longing for union, but yet it is the soul's call. When Nad begins to descend within and form slowly starts to dissolve, what remains is a simple, untainted yearning for darshan, presence, and union. Here, dance becomes prayer, and prayer becomes surrender. Every note, step, no longer remains outward, it begins to resonate within. And in that inner Nad, the jiva longs to unite with Vithu Maui. Bheti Lagi Jiva, this is not an ending, yet fulfillment. Not a pause, yet dissolution. This is the journey, this is the sadhana. And perhaps this is the true essence of Kathak, not merely performance, but transformation. A journey from movement to stillness, sound to silence, from the external to the eternal. The music for this abhanga has been composed by Shri Amod Kulkarni ji and sung by Srimati Anjali Marathe ji. The original composition has famously been sung by Lata Didi Mangeshkar ji. The lyrics have been written by Santa Tukaram and it has been set to a mix of different rags. Bheti Lagi Jiva.
you, Tai, for such an opportunity. Thank you so much. And everybody who watched me with patience with my mistakes and all of that. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
Thank you, Tai, for showing us how much devotion, surrenderance you have for this art form. And I'm at a loss for words, but through all that we have witnessed today, we see how much love you have for this art form. Thank you so much for sharing it with all of us today. I would like to say a big thank you to the entire SISK family, to Shambhavi Tai, and for everyone who has made today possible. We are very, very grateful, and from the bottom of our hearts, we would like to say thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm just going to repeat what she just said. What a stellar, power-packed performance. To the power in your tal presentation, to the Sola Singar of Mahadev.
Yes.
That was amazing performance. To the bhakti in your concluding performance.
Thank you so much.
Amazing. Let's give it up. I will now request Shambhavi Tai come on stage to felicitate our artists.
I'll just say a few words first. I know we had it planned later, but absolutely, please do. Namaste, everyone. I would just like to go back to how many years ago, Pallavi?
Maybe 20.
She was maybe 21, 22 years old, and I was a little older, maybe nearing 30. And I was actually an examiner for her advanced diploma exam. And it was such a full circle to have her here grade my students over the last 2 days. I was planning this for a long time because I really respect Pallavi's artistry. The way she has carved a niche for herself in the Kathak scene of North America. And the way she is relentlessly at it. There are so many teachers in this country, very good teachers, very accomplished, successful teachers. What this country lacks is more performers. And I think she represents those very few accomplished and well-trained performers in this country. And that's why I was really looking forward to bringing her here in the pretext of grading my students, but then luring her to present this Baithak for Bay Area Kathak enthusiasts. And I'm so glad that all stars aligned and we have her here. It was just such a pleasure to watch your dance, Pallavi.
Thank you so much.
I still remember that 20-year-old girl half this size. Like she's already so thin, but she was even thin, but she was skinnier back then. And my first reaction was, "Is ladki mein baat hai." Then we kept meeting because she used to attend my Guruji Pandit Tal Yogi, Pandit Suresh Talwalkarji's workshops, and I used to assist him in the workshops back then. She used to be there, and it was so nice to watch her grow, step by step. And then cut to, there was so much gap in between, and then we reconnected. She invited me to perform in her forum in New Jersey. It was a pleasure to spend time with her, to dance for her audience, just as how she danced for my audience today. It was just so beautiful, beautiful moments. What I realize is all these relationships, they always stay close because the distance between, physical distance between us has, I think, never been more than 2 matras that come back. There is only that much distance. Sometimes it feels like Drut, sometimes it feels like Vilambi. But it's just that much. And that's what I realized when over the last 2 days we were chatting non-stop, and she was doing tai. And Saloni was really enjoying it because she had seen her as her guru, and now she was literally like a little girl chirping around me all the time. So Saloni really had a good time watching her, a new avatar of Pallavi. What I find most special, unique, and invaluable in Pallavi's dance, that also stems from her training. You can see how well trained she is, and what's special about her training is the fact that her Dada Gurus come from all 3 gharanas of Kathak. Pandit Gopi Krishna ji, who's also my Dada Guru, he was one of the pioneers of Banaras Gharana. And then her other Dada Guru, Pandita Rohini Bhate ji, Param Guru, who was trained under Pandit Lakshu Maharaj ji as well as Pandit Mohanrao Kalyanpurkar ji. And that's how she legitly inherits all 3 gharanas of Kathak. And I could see those 3 flavors, like Triveni Sangam at Prayagraj. I could see those 3 flavors in her dance. The wrist work of Lucknow, and the firmness of Jaipur, the intricate, clear tatkars of Banaras, and also the presentation that Banaras tops. So all those factors put together, it was such a unique presentation, because we see a different combination of gharanas all this time, right? I mean, the art is so centuries old. So it's very hard to find someone who dances only Lucknow or only Banaras or only Jaipur. There are so many streams mixing into each other all the time, and I think that's what makes the art special,
Yes.
isn't it? But I think Pallavi has literally, with contemplation and effort, handpicked all the good qualities that were handed down to her by her respective gurus and param gurus. And to top it all off, what I find most special is the way she loses herself while performing. She is not present there any longer. You can see that, right? I mean, it's just the art. It's just the art that is around, and she has lost herself somewhere in that journey on the way. And that's how there is so much sublimeness around when she dances. This is a wonderful quality, Pallavi. Not many dancers, especially young dancers, have this quality to forget about themselves, about their existence, because the aham is around us all the time, and it's really a special quality to merge into one's art. God bless you, Pallavi. You have you have already come along you hold such a good position in the field of Kathak, and there is so much more to do. Sky is the limit. And as your Tai, as your older sister, I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart.
with the felicitations. We will start with acknowledging our crucial behind the scenes helper, Bhaskar Ranade, for providing and arranging our
Thank you so much.
I now request Saloni to accept a token of love from Shambhavi Tai.
I'm sure in the next few years we will invite her to perform.
I now request Shambhavi Tai to felicitate Pallavi.
It's a beautiful Tathai Theater dupatta.
Very
I'm
nice.
going to offer her.
Wow.
Also a token of thanks for Pradnya. She has been an amazing MC. Just take a moment.
Your support means the world to us. And we really appreciate that you have taken the time on this long weekend to come here and witness this amazing performance today. One more round of applause. I think all of us really are very reluctant to leave here today, right? None of us want to go, even though the long weekend probably means it's the, we have a short work week, but whatever magic you have done here, we don't want it to end today. But sadly, as all good things need to come to an end, our program here is at an end. And thank you so much for coming today, and have a good rest of your evening and drive home safe. And I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Thank you.